It is RCRealness back at it again with another YouTube video, and this is going to be a video. So I have been on my CEO, CFO grind business. If you know what grind business, I mean like I've been grinding. Like I actually have been working my butt off to do something other than watch Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus at the same time. I need some water. Give me a quick second. The water's way over there, so I'm not gonna get up.
Whores in this house, there's some 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 whores.
But you guys, I have been working hard and grinding, and now I have a quick update. I am going to be releasing my website soon. Yes, I'm going to be releasing my website soon. I cannot wait. I am going to showcase all the work that I have done so far, all the intros, all the private sessions that I had, all those flyers, posters. Girl, you look on it, you gonna see it. You click on my link, RCRealness is coming soon, my LLC. Honestly, let me give this video a topic because I really wanted to show you guys my new bag. My Tory Burch blue bag. Do you see the resemblance? Blue everywhere. Do you not see the blue? Do you not see the blue? To this bag right here. This is a close-up from my other phone. This is my new Tory Burch bag. It is so cute, you guys. Like you guys, look down there. You guys are shooting this on my phone. You know what? Let's go ahead and do a what's in my bag. This is my Tory Burch tea bag, and I bought this with my hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. So let me just let it go off. It's like all right. And so now we're moving into the inside. It has a metal clasp right here to basically close this and this together. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, I'll get into the prices later on, but this is what's in my bag. Let's take a see. Okay, so these are my masks. My mom is a mask provider. She basically finds different people that make masks and N95s, and she mixes them up, girl. Give you packets and stuff like that. This is my bag. I keep some chargers for my little sister in case she loses some of her chargers, so I have a backup just in case she needs it. Yes, I'm talking about you, Kamiya. I know you watch my stuff. Wait, no. This is my toiletry bag. My bag. This is like you have a mask, you have soap, some gloves. Girl, I don't know what's in here. I got this from my aunt. Yes, Julie. Thank you, Julie. Coming clutch. All right. Next thing. Mask and N95. This is what they come like in, guys. They're not open, so they're good. And then I have some gloves because you know when you be pumping gas, you can't be touching the pump because you know coronavirus. Then I have my second pair of sunglasses. Not like these cat eye sunglasses. These are my windshield wipers. But you can't see my eyebrows in the windshield wipers. So these are my windshield wipers, and they are huge. Let me show you. So you guys, yes, they are huge, girl. Boom, girl. These are for outside, girl. Windshield wipers. If this is for people you don't want to see them, your eyebrows. Because when people will see your eyebrows, they remember who you are, girl. Hold up. That is on period. Ooh. See? Don't even see my face. So you guys, next thing in my bag is another bag similar to the other one, but in this bag, this is the one I was talking to you about for Kamiya. This is my cologne. I like this. This is from my mom. It's blue. You see the vibes? Blue, everything. smells good.
Program for an important news announcement.
Child, what the was I on? Like, girl, I really thought I was doing the shit, but once I got my eyebrows together and I got my, instead of looking like a dried up caveman, I look like an elegant a very elegant, if I may add on that. I'm censoring out the words because I really do want to monetize this video. Then I have some scars and stuff. So I have like a bag of all these scars. So when you see me customize my different bags, it's like when these things from Amazon, these little silk immature scars. But they're cute though. They add like a little. Then I have my umbrella. Thanks, Mom. My cute umbrella now. Professional. Some wet, small travel wet ones. More gloves. My AirPods. A pineapple I got from CVS. It's cute. I don't know where I'm gonna put it though. Not on this bag. I tried it. It's ugly. The key to the car. And then a blue clip and a receipt. And then I have my keys. You see, this is Tory Burch, Dooney and Burke, Michael Kors. You see that? It's cute. Ooh, Acura. I'm such a head ass. I'm sorry, but like this is cute. Like the whole like yes, designer club, cute. So these are the keys to my house because you know I love my mom's house and they're blue. Home. I love home. Cute, it's a vibe. I went to the Tory Burch store. The people at the Tory Burch store was not very helpful and they didn't give me the best service, and I was so fed up and I was already just ready to leave because I just came in to get a bag and nobody wanted to help me, and I was just like, well damn, I'm spending money here too, and I tried to go to you but then you turned away and went to another customer. I mean, so yeah, basically I bought the bag. The bag was like, for me it was $150, and then for the handkerchief it was an additional $50. So in total I spent $205 for this bag. I'm not proud of it, and but it's a cute bag. It's a cute bag. I like it. Oh. And this is from my sister. Let me show you. This is from my sister, Paola. She gave this to me when she went school shopping. And it's like, it's so cute. It's like a pen. So it's like, when I'm writing, I don't have to touch everything coronavirus. Ooh, right on receipt. Sign. This is cute. I love it. Thank you, Paola. And then I got some chapstick because my lips be getting very crusty. So you guys, this is the end of my video. If you liked this awkward video that had a crazy transition from beginning to end and how to change the different stories and emotions and swings, please hit that subscribe button down below. But stay tuned for my next video that's going to be coming up for the hair trifecta. You guys stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe. Bye.
In this house, there's some hoes. this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house.